Congratulations on choosing to rent another superb video from the leaders in home entertainment, Roadshow Home Video. Do you know that there are also hundreds of different titles that you can buy and own forever? A whole world of interest for everyone to enjoy. Now you can build an impressive library of personal favorites together with Roadshow Home Video.
Welcome to the entertaining world of ABC Video. A world of exciting programs for you to enjoy and collect. From Australiana to Australian comedy, great sporting events to the great days of steam. A world of entertainment for you to collect now on ABC Video. B is for Baba. T is for Thomas the Tank Engine and friends. P is for Play School. F is for Fireman Sam. When he hears the fire bell chime, Fireman Sam is there on time. S is for Spot.
Spot, Spot, a lovable Spot.
And ABC is for the best in children's video. They're all available for you to collect now.
Edward needed to go to the works for repairs. He'd recently damaged his crank pins and could barely turn a wheel. The Fat Controller decided to visit Boko, the new diesel. "Would you mind running Edward's branch line while he's away?" "I'd be delighted, sir," said Boko excitedly. He was soon hard at work and pulled any train he was given. He made good friends with anyone he met. Even Donald and Douglas were impressed. "For a diesel, yon Boko isn't such a bad sort of engine." That, from the Scottish twins, is high praise indeed. The only one who didn't get along with him was James. He had never liked diesels and treated Boko with great suspicion. "He doesn't